Hey guys, so we have these iBloom boxes and on SillySquishies.com, and just to show you the packaging, how adorable is this packaging? I love how they tied it off here and it has like this poofy top here. But even though it is tied off, it is a resealable bag. I don't know if you can see this, but it is a resealable bag. So let's just move on to show you this squishy. Here is this one. This is the Galaxy, or not the Galaxy, the Rainbow. And of course, super squishy, but we also have the Galaxy and just the plain pink one, which is really, really cute. And they are individually scented, so this one smells just like a sweet scent, and then this one smells like sweet tarts, and it smells so good. But this one, if you guys know what the Sleepy Momo smells like the girl hamster that iBloom made, it smells exactly like that, which kind of smells like sweet strawberries to me. I don't know, could just be me. So make sure you go to SillySquishies.com to add these to your collection. Thanks for watching.